English Listening and Speaking Practice, Audiobook, Lesson 1. Welcome. Hello, and welcome to English Listening and Speaking Practice. I am very happy to learn English with you today. Please listen carefully. After each sentence, pause the audio and repeat it aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Let's begin. Greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. Please repeat each sentence one more time. Daily English. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I come home in the evening. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now repeat all the sentences. Listening practice. Listen carefully. My name is David. I live in a small town. I enjoy reading books. I like learning English. Every day I practice for 30 minutes. English helps me communicate with people from different countries. My dream is to speak English fluently. Now answer these questions. What is his name? Where does he live? What does he enjoy? What is his dream? Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am becoming more confident. I enjoy practicing English. I never give up. Practice makes progress. I believe in myself. Short conversation. A. Hello, how are you today? B. I'm great, thank you. How about you? A. I'm doing well. What are you doing? B. I'm listening to an English audiobook. A. That's a great habit. B. Yes, I practice every day. A. Keep going. You are doing a good job. B. Thank you very much. Motivation. Remember, learning English is a journey. Practice a little every day. Listen carefully. Speak clearly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every lesson makes you stronger. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Believe in yourself. You can speak English confidently. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. English Listening and Speaking Practice, Audiobook Lesson 2, At the Park. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 2. Today we will learn English through a conversation at the park. Listen carefully and repeat after each sentence. Let's begin. New words. Park. Tree. Flower. Bench. Run. Beautiful. Fresh. Happy. Now, repeat the words one more time. Listening practice. It is a beautiful morning. The park is clean and peaceful. Many people are walking. Some children are playing. The birds are singing. The flowers are colorful. The air is fresh. Everyone looks happy. Now, repeat each sentence. Conversation. Emma. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm great. It's a beautiful day. Yes, it is. I come to the park every morning. What do you do here? I walk, exercise, and enjoy the fresh air. That's wonderful. I like to run in the park. Exercise keeps us healthy. You're right. We should exercise every day. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Speak after me. I like going to the park. The weather is nice. The birds are singing. The flowers are beautiful. I enjoy walking every morning. Exercise is good for my health. I feel happy today. I love learning English. Practice questions. Where are Emma and Ryan? What do they do in the park? Why is exercise important? Do you like going to the park? What do you usually do there? Answer these questions aloud in English. Motivation. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Practice every day. Every lesson makes your English stronger. Believe in yourself. You are improving one sentence at a time. Thank you for listening. See you in Lesson 3. English Listening and Speaking Practice. Lesson 3. At the Supermarket. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 3. Today, we will learn English at the supermarket. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Let's begin. New words. Supermarket. Shopping cart. Basket. Vegetables. Fruits. Milk. Bread. Rice. Cashier. Receipt. Please repeat the words. Listening practice. Sarah is at the supermarket. She needs to buy some food. She takes a shopping cart. She buys apples, bananas, milk, bread, eggs, and rice. The supermarket is clean and busy. Many people are shopping. Sarah goes to the cashier. She pays for her groceries. She takes the receipt and goes home. Now repeat each sentence. Conversation. Cashier. Good afternoon. Welcome. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes, please. Where can I find the milk? It's in aisle 3. Thank you. You're welcome. Is that everything? Yes, that's all. Your total is $25. Here you are. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Speak after me. I am at the supermarket. I need a shopping cart. I want to buy fresh vegetables. The apples look delicious. Where is the milk? How much is this? Here is my payment. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Practice questions. What did Sarah buy? Where was the milk? Who helped Sarah? What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Answer these questions in English. Motivation. Excellent work. The more you listen, the better you understand. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Practice every day. Small steps lead to big success. Thank you for learning with me. See you in Lesson 4. At the restaurant. English Listening and Speaking Practice. Audiobook Lesson 4. At the restaurant. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 4. Today, we will learn English through a conversation at a restaurant. Listen carefully and repeat after each sentence. Let's begin. New words. Restaurant menu. Waiter. Customer. Table order. Soup. Chicken. Juice. Bill. Please repeat the words. Listening practice. Tom and Anna are at a restaurant. They are looking at the menu. The waiter comes to their table. Tom orders grilled chicken and rice. Anna orders vegetable soup and salad. They also order 2 glasses of orange juice. The food is fresh and delicious. They enjoy their meal. Finally, they pay the bill and leave happily. Now repeat each sentence. Conversation. Waiter. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Tom. Good evening. A table for 2, please. Waiter. Certainly. Please follow me. Anna. Thank you. Waiter. Here is the menu. Tom. I'd like grilled chicken and rice, please. Anna. I'd like vegetable soup and a salad. Waiter, would you like something to drink? Tom, 2 glasses of orange juice, please. Waiter, of course. Your order will be ready soon. After the meal. Waiter, did you enjoy your meal? Tom, yes, it was delicious. Anna, everything was wonderful. Thank you. Waiter, you're welcome. Here is your bill. Tom, thank you. Have a nice evening. Waiter, you too. Goodbye. Speak after me. I would like a table for 2. May I see the menu, please? I would like some soup. The food is delicious. Can I have some water, please? May I have the bill, please? Thank you for your service. Have a nice day. Practice questions. Where are Tom and Anna? What did Tom order? What did Anna order? What did they drink? Did they enjoy the meal? Answer these questions in English. Motivation. Great job. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Every conversation helps you improve your English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice every day and your confidence will grow. Thank you for listening. See you in Lesson 5, at the hotel. English Listening and Speaking Practice, Audiobook Lesson 5, at the hotel. Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 5. Today you will learn English through a conversation at a hotel. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence after me. Let's begin. New words. Hotel reception. Receptionist. Guest reservation. Passport. Room key card. Elevator. Breakfast. Please repeat the words. Listening practice. Mr. Brown arrives at a hotel. He has a reservation for 2 nights. The receptionist welcomes him with a smile. Mr. Brown shows his passport. The receptionist checks the reservation. She gives him a key card. His room is on the 5th floor. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning. Mr. Brown thanks the receptionist and goes to his room. Now repeat each sentence. Conversation. Receptionist. Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. Mr. Brown. Good evening. I have a reservation. Receptionist. May I have your name, please? Mr. Brown. My name is David Brown. Receptionist. Thank you, Mr. Brown. May I see your passport? Mr. Brown. Certainly. Here it is. Receptionist. Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. Mr. Brown. Great. Receptionist. Here is your key card. Your room is 505 on the 5th floor. Mr. Brown. Is breakfast included? Receptionist. Yes. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Mr. Brown. Wonderful. Thank you for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Mr. Brown. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Speak after me. I have a reservation. May I check in, please? Here is my passport. What is my room number? Is breakfast included? Where is the elevator? Could you help me, please? Thank you for your assistance. Have a wonderful day. Practice questions. Where is Mr. Brown? How many nights is he staying? What document does he show? What is his room number? What time is breakfast served? Answer these questions aloud in English. Motivation. Excellent work! You are becoming a better English speaker with every lesson. Listen carefully. Speak clearly. Repeat every day. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Thank you for learning with us. See you in Lesson 6, at the airport.